Hey guys, it is Jen with Mother Time. Welcome back to my channel. I've taken you along as I've decorated my home for fall, and now is the time to show you my 2023 fall home tour. I cannot wait to show you. It is so cozy and fall-y and inviting in here. I'm going to keep this video with not a lot of chit chat, just my favorite music to show you all around my home for fall. And then we have upcoming, we're going to be doing an outside tour as well. I'm just waiting for the leaves to change a little bit more, so that'll be coming up in a couple of weeks, as well as I'm going to be decorating a little bit for Halloween as well. So I'm going to be taking you along as I do that for more of a Halloween look too. Let me know in the comments below if you like decorating for fall and Halloween, or if you kind of just combine it both, or just let me know in the comments below how you like to decorate for this season. Anyways, if you are new here to my channel, welcome. I love sharing home decor, cooking, and crafting here on my channel. So if those are videos you enjoy watching, click that subscribe button below so you never miss a video. Okay, you guys, you know what time it is. Grab yourself a yummy pumpkin spice latte, sit back, relax, and let the home tour begin. Welcome again to my 2023 fall home tour. I hope you have a cozy, warm drink in your hand. Sit back and relax and enjoy this tour. I hope this gives you some decorating inspo for your home as well. This tour begins in my kitchen, and this year I added lots of pops of orange. I haven't done a lot of oranges in the past few years, and I love bringing in those traditional fall colors. It's making it so homey, cozy, and inviting. And if you missed any of my 2023 Fall Decorate With Me videos, I'll include those video links in the description below. This wax warmer is one of my favorites. I actually own several of them throughout my home. I love popping in a few seasonal wax melts. It makes the house smell so good. I get questions about it all the time. I'll include a link for it in the description below. I also love my under cabinet puck lights. They are actually battery operated. You can touch them on and off. It even comes with a remote. I've had them for several years, and I love the cozy glow it adds underneath the cabinets. I'll include a link for these in the description below. It's such an affordable way to add some cozy lighting underneath the cabinets. And here is a peek at my coffee bar styled for fall. I love that I took the cabinet doors off, so I have this open shelving to decorate seasonally. Now heading into the entryway, kept it very simple, adding some touches of fall. I love using my hops. A lot of these stems I've had for several years. Also too, I love my cow pasture print, which is in my entryway above my entryway table. This is a digital print. I'll include a link for it in the description below. It's available in my digital print shop. It comes in 7 different sizes. I print it at Walgreens. CVS also offers printing as well. And then I pop it in a frame. The frame that I use is called the Gray Belmont frame from Michaels. It's an easy peasy way to decorate your walls seasonally. Now I'm going to show you the living room decorated for fall. I love the way it turned out. It is so cozy in here. Next up on the fall tour is my dining room. This is actually the first room that I decorated for fall this year, and I added lots of pops of oranges in here, which again, I haven't done in a few years, and I'm loving the cozy fall touches the dining room has. And now we are headed upstairs, and I'm going to show you how I decorated the master bedroom for fall, as well as adding a few cozy fall touches into the master bathroom. I also decorated the hallway and even my kids' bathroom for fall. Okay guys, that is all for the 2023 fall home tour. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope this gave you some decorating inspo for your home as well. Let me know in the comments below what room is your favorite. I would probably say the living room is my favorite this year, but I really love the way that the bedroom turned out this year as well. It's really, really cozy. Still working on that one wall too, so let me know if you have any ideas or suggestions for that as well. Anyways, you guys, for more decorating inspo and DIY, make sure you're following me over on my Facebook and Instagram page. I'm even on TikTok here and there too, at Mother Time. Thank you guys for joining me here today, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.